don't have an arm swing yet. They're developing their arm swing. So to accommodate for balancing, they have a very wide gait. It makes it really hard for them to balance on a balance beam. Also, their one tension spans. Good. So we're gonna make the beam area a game. So guys, we're gonna play essentially builders and bulldozers. I have some rattles. We're gonna put them upright all around, and we're gonna take the cartwheel mats that we use for our gadgets lesson plan. We're gonna put these upright too. And essentially, our one Ps are gonna run around, and they're gonna either kick over the blocks or the shakers, or they can hit them over with their pool noodles. And us mommies and daddies are gonna follow them around and fix everything upright for them. All right, once everyone knocks over like 3 or 4, we're gonna go in the big gym. So ready, set, and then if you wanna do some balancing on the side, feel free to do some balancing. 1, 2, whoa, 3, go ahead, let's start knocking over all of our shakers and all of our cartwheel blocks. Let's do it. Let me grab a one. Let me grab one before Maya's here. Watch Maya. We're guiding them through like this. Wow, Maya. Maya, can you hit that one? Hit that one, Maya. Do 1, 2. Wow, Maya. What about this one?
Can you hit it? Hit it.
Wow. Good job. They can kick it as well. So we're guiding them. We're helping them. We're spending a couple minutes here in the beam area. We're working on our fine motor skills. Thanks. All right, for your 2P lesson plans for gadgets, you're gonna have to do some sort of hybrid between your 1Ps and your 3Ps. And what I mean by that is my guess is most of you guys do 2P classes as parent and me classes, meaning your ratios are larger and you're gonna have to have supplementary stations to accommodate every kid in your class. So on the bars, I'm gonna give you a sample of what we would do with our 2P classes, and then you're gonna add stuff that suits your own space. So McKenna is a 2P. We're doing, this is an independent 2P class. Wait, 2 more, Olivia. 3 more. McKenna's gonna go and she's gonna press the garage door button. Open the garage door. Boop. Now go through the garage door and go give me a car, McKenna. And she's gonna bring that car back and she's gonna pass it. Wait, just let me take it. Once she brings it back, she puts it in the bucket. And then you'd have her do that a few times. McKenna, you're so good. Right here. Good. Okay, we've moved our bells. That was for our abacus calculator that we did on this bar with our older groups. We've moved them over here, and we're going to have them just stand and practice going left, middle. Hey, Olivia, can you hang and do your scissor snaps again? Maybe 3 more times. Left, middle, right. Good. Over on this one, do a few more times. Take a video of you. We're going to do our wrecking ball swings, where we're gonna hold this rope like this. I see you, Olivia, and we're gonna rock. Wrecking ball swings, good. If you look at Willow, she's pulling, you're so cute. She's pulling her basket up and down using the pulley. Wait, I have to take a video of you, so do 3 more, we're coming to you. So she's pulling her bucket up and down. I don't expect 2-year-olds to understand the unilateral up like this with hand over hand. It's kind of tricky. Maybe some of them can, but if they're pulling it up and down like this, I'm okay with that. Over here, look at where Angel is. Jump down. Whee! Angel is swinging on my swing, and she is going to use her feet as these are going to be, this is going to be our plier station. So she's going to use her pliers. Snap! She got it! And we should hang a few of them up here. So she's snapping her feet like a pair of pliers, and she is pulling them down. Yay! Look at Olivia. She's been working diligently over here. Show me your scissor snaps. She's gonna go open, open, snap, scissors, open, snap, open, snap. Good, and then if you have a large mommy and me class, my recommendation is add some side stations, like a swing here. Add some rocking stations on the floor, like balance stations. Add something maybe where they're bowling or they're sorting, some things that provide enough activities to accommodate your large class size, okay? That's how we're gonna modify the lesson plan for 2Ps. So for your 2P classes, you have a choice. So I'm gonna tell you a couple things. 1, I would not get too stuck on sticking exactly with the gadgets lesson plan or with any lesson plan for that matter. Your focus is gonna be on flow of your class. And what you're gonna do is take the equipment you have on hand for that lesson plan and make an obstacle course circuit for your 2Ps. You can do your 2Ps one of two ways. You can either have them go in order, where they have to follow a pattern structure, or in a big parent me class, you can provide many activities and let them freely flow within it. We have an independent class, we're gonna go in order, so we're gonna have them all sit down. Come sit, McKenna, and I'm gonna have them start by rolling the ball into the bucket. Show me, McKenna. Just roll it gently. There you go. Is it gonna make it? Yay! And then McKenna's gonna come this way, and she's gonna do some donkey kicks like this. 1, 2, 3. She's a sewing machine, and she's the needle. Then, look, we've just taken something we had on hand, and we put it as part of our obstacle course so that she can use it as a climbing station to get her from point A to point B. So she's climbing up. We had these stairs on hand. We had these stairs on hand. We added them to our obstacle course. Down she goes. Then she's going to come here for this one, and she's going to climb up. And she's going to hit the button, which is missing right now. Good. Then we've taken the panel mat that we had for our candlesticks, our pliers, and we've just made it into a tunnel for her to crawl under. Good job. And then let's go back to our gadgets lesson plan. Let's do a yo-yo roll. You ready to do your yo-yo roll? Let's go. Arms up tall, hands down. Here she goes, yo-yo, whee! And look, we've grabbed the slide because we had it on hand, and it's fun for the 2-year-olds, and it's a good connector station. And she's gone around. And so our main focus is gonna be on going from A to B to C to D to E to F to G, finishing back where we started, and flowing with the class just like that. And then we're slightly incorporating some of the gadgets, the sewing machine, the catapult rolls, the yo-yos, some of those things that we've been talking about, but give yourself some grace with the 2P classes, especially if you have large mommy and me classes. All right, good job, girls.